Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious grilled ham and Swiss cheese sandwich. So let's get started. Okay, for the main ingredients to make our delicious grilled ham and Swiss cheese sandwich, we have 4 nice slices of smoked ham here. Let me see if I can show you. See how thick they are? They're like a 1/4 inch thick. Good. Okay. And back here we have our nice Swiss cheese that we're going to slice up. You know, about 4 to 6 slices off of here. And we have a nice Italian loaf of bread here that we're going to slice some nice slices off. Okay, let's go ahead and put some of this aside. Okay, we'll take our nice Italian bread here. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, let's go ahead and slice off some nice slices. We'll slice about 3/4 of an inch. Okay. We're going to use 2 slices today. There you go. Okay, there's our nice slices of bread. Let's put them aside. And we'll go ahead and bring in our nice block of Swiss cheese. Yeah, look at that. Can you see it? It's huge. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to probably cut maybe 6 slices of this off, you know, to make our sandwich. Yeah, because we love our cheese, right? Especially Swiss cheese. We'll just go ahead and cut off a slice. Just like that. And we'll do this, you know, several times. Okay. Beautiful. How many is that? I lost count. 3? Okay. 3 more? There's 1. Okay, there we go. There are 6 slices of Swiss cheese right there. Okay, let's put this aside. Nice, aren't they? Beautiful. All right. Okay, here's our bread and our ham. Okay, now all we have to do is start grilling this ham and Swiss cheese sandwich. So let's do that. Okay, let's go ahead and set our burner to medium. And we'll go ahead and put a tiny bit of oil in the pan. Okay, our pan seems hot enough. Now we're going to go ahead and take our nice smoked ham here, you know. It's a good way to use up your ham that you have left over from the holidays. Now this is already cooked, but we're going to heat it up good, right? So we'll put it right in there. Just like that. Okay. Now we're only looking to warm it up, so let's flip it over. See how we're doing? Okay, that looks pretty good. Look at this one. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, when your ham's nice and hot, just go ahead and stack them up on the side, just like this. Okay, now we're going to lower the burner temp to medium low. Put a little bit of oil in the pan and take a paper towel and wipe your pan. Just like that. See how easy that is? Everything comes right off. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to take our nice Italian bread here and we're going to spread some butter on there. Right? Nice thin coat. And we'll put that right in there. And we'll do the same to the other piece. Put some butter on there. Okay. And we'll put that right in there, just like this. Beautiful. Now we're going to take a slice of our nice Swiss cheese and put it right on there. Like this. Boy, that's thick, isn't it? Okay. Just like that. And we'll take a nice piece of ham. We'll put that right on there. Beautiful. Okay. And another slice of our nice Swiss cheese. Put that on top of there. And another slice of cheese. Look at that. It's going to be loaded with cheese. This sandwich is getting bigger already. All right, let's get another slice of ham. We'll put that on top. Just like that. Okay, there you go. And another slice of Swiss cheese. Yep. Okay. And this last slice of Swiss cheese. Look at that. Think it's loaded with cheese? At this point, I like to add a little bit of seasoning. Because the ham's salty enough, we're just going to add a little bit of pepper. And a little smoked paprika because the ham is smoky. Okay. Now we'll get our top slice of bread here, right? We'll put that right on there, just like this. Beautiful. Okay. Push down on it lightly. Get this in the middle where it can get toasted. Okay guys, what we're going to do is we're going to put that in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 20 minutes until all that cheese is nice and melted and everything is real hot, you know. And at the very end, we're going to broil our toast at the top to crisp it up with that butter on there. Boy, is this going to taste good. All right, let's put it in the oven. Okay, guys, here it is. Look at that sandwich. Look at all that cheese. Can you see it? And boy, is that toasted nice. Perfect. Okay, I think we're going to need a big spatula for this one. So let's get under it and see if we can keep most of that cheese. Okay. Okay, let's put that right on a cutting board. Just like that. Look at that sandwich. Can you see the amount of cheese in there? Oh boy, is this going to taste good. I can't wait to get into this. That's going to be really, really good. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and have a taste. Here it is, guys. Our delicious grilled ham and Swiss cheese sandwich. Look at the amount of cheese in there. And the amount of ham, it's beautiful. And toasted perfectly up top here. Nice. Let me see if I can spin it around so you can see the back. You see any cheese coming out? Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. If you like Swiss cheese, this is definitely loaded with Swiss cheese. All right, let me turn it around again. All right. Okay, now this sandwich done this way is very similar to the croque monsieur, only this doesn't have any bechamel sauce and extra cheese on top, you know. That's the only difference. You know, you would be doing that. You put some bechamel sauce in there and a little bit on top, and then you would stick it in the oven at about 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, just like this, and it would turn out just like this, only with all that good stuff on top. But this one, I want to be able to try to pick it up. That one you have to eat with a fork because of all the bechamel sauce on top and cheese. All right, let's cut this in half and see how it is. I can't wait to have a taste. You ready? Let's cut it in half. Okay, let's see how we did. Let's pick it up. Look at the amount of ham and everything in there. And that's loaded with Swiss cheese. Can you see it on the back? Okay, let's put this one down. Can you see it? Okay. And we'll have a bite of this one. Look at that sandwich. Okay, let's have a bite. Wow, is that tasty. That's just really delicious. Look at all that cheese in there. Unbelievable. All right, let's put it down here. We can see it. Boy, is that tasty. That's just plain delicious right there. With all that cheese and ham in there, you can't beat that. Just go ahead and make them this way. You know, build them in your cast iron skillet or your iron pan, whatever you have there. And then stick them in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is what you have. A beautiful sandwich for lunch or dinner. Yep, very good. Since I'm having this for lunch, guys, you know what I'm going to have? You guessed it, a nice wobble pop. Okay. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious grilled ham and Swiss cheese sandwich. That's what's for lunch today. That sounds good. Yeah, I just gotta have another little bite. Is that good?